Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to create slow motion videos in CapCut. Great for dramatic effects or highlighting key moments. Let's get started. First, open a CapCut and start a new project by tapping Add New Project. Then here, select the video you want to slow down, then tap Add. Then tap on the video clip in the timeline, then scroll the bottom menu and tap Speed. Choose a normal if you want consistent slow motion effect. Then drag the speed slider to the left to slow the clip down. Try 0.5x or lower for smoother result. Then tap the check mark to apply. Here you can also use the curve option to advance the speed control or and custom slow-mo effects. And that's how easy it is to create a slow motion videos in CapCut. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe and hit that bell icon for more quick editing tips. Thanks for watching.